Keeping your fascia healthy lifelong is really all about understanding how to keep the space within. If each and every cell has optimal space in and around, there's ease of absorption of nutrients into the cells as well as ease of toxin away from the cell. This keeps the area flowing fluid, so the cell is essentially relaxed, healthy, clean, and happy. And if that's the case, it's not shooting pain signals at you or going through any kind of deterioration or aging. But what happens when we're not conscious of using our body lifelong is we typically fall out of alignment. We're dominant on one side. I think about 70% of the population are dominant on the right side, me included. When I'm not conscious of proper alignment, my fallout posture is to shift my body over to the left side. What this does is it keeps that dominant side free for action. But now we have to create an anchor so that we don't tip over, because if I continue to let my body fall into this space, I'm ultimately going to fall on my face. So because the fascia is in part here to keep us upright and stable, there's adhesions that get created as a result. So when I do this, what is going on is I'm decreasing that internal space. I'm decreasing space inside the joint, but also through the entire body. I am decreasing space around and in each and every one of those cells. So what you want to do is you want to become aware of how you use your body. And if we simply go right back to alignment, we're not going to really effectively be able to undo what time has created. So if this has been your fallout posture for decades, to simply go into a correct neutral alignment isn't going to really bring your body back to balance. We need to work over on the other side. So if you actually get used to standing in the equal and opposite way than what your body is used to, then you're going to start to change the grooves, change the patterns in your fascia. When you first do this, you'll probably feel how uncomfortable it is. You might even notice there's a lot of pain. For me, when I first started doing this, I felt a lot of tension in the right side of my hip joint because my body had adapted to this stance. Now though, when I do this, I feel there's a movement, there's a fluidity in this side as well. And sometimes now I'll actually naturally move into this right side without having to think about it because I've been practicing this for a long time. This in turn helps to make it easier to come back into that neutral alignment to support that space around each and every one of your trillions of cells. And if we can do this lifelong, the whole concept of aging changes. Gravity no longer has the same effect on your body, and you will be amazingly different in how you feel, how you function, how you age, and even how you appear. So give this a try, give yourself some time with this, see what happens, and let me know what you think.